You probably have some goals you want to achieve this year. Did you know that one of the biggest roadblocks that prevent people from achieving their goals isn't time or money, but rather productivity? Productivity isn't just about getting stuff done. It is also getting the most important stuff done, with the limited time you have. I know how hard it can be to be productive sometimes, so this video will go over 10 productivity tips that helped me out and can help you out as well, so we are starting right now. 1. Do your top priority task first. The 80-20 rule states that for most events, 80% of the results or effects come from 20% of the causes. Basically, you want to prioritize the work that will give you the most results. At the start of each day, you want to make a list of your top priorities of the day. Focus on getting the tasks on that list done before you work on other tasks you need to do for the day. Let's go over an example. If you're a freelancer, the most important task for you would be the work you have to do for your client, because that's how you get paid. You would spend most of your time working on that, and from there, if you don't feel like responding to emails or finding new clients, then it won't really hurt your productivity for the day, since your most important task is finishing your work for the current client. Getting the important stuff done can be more impactful than trying to get a lot of stuff done. 2. Get rid of distractions. This is a common tried and true tip. A lot of people get distracted while they work, which hurts their productivity. First, you need to figure out what distracts you and make a list. Maybe it's your phone since you often check it, or maybe it's the food lying on your desk. After that, it's up to you to come up with a solution on how to get rid of that distraction. Some of them can be pretty easy to deal with, like say, if your phone is a distraction, then you can place it far away and on silent. However, if the distraction is part of your workspace, like say a roommate, you might have to change up where you work. 3. Wear some headphones and listen to productive music. Listening to music is a great way to focus. Everyone has a certain genre, artist, or song that gets them in the zone. If music doesn't help you be productive, you should still at least put headphones on. If you are working in a public space, it sends a clear message to everyone that you don't want to be disturbed, and it blocks out the noise around you. Even if you are working in a relatively isolated place, headphones can still help you ignore weird background noises. 4. Eat a balanced diet. You know that saying that says you are what you eat? That saying is true. If you eat junk food, you're not gonna feel great. I love fast food, but every time I finish eating fast food, I feel bloated and I don't feel like working. Food is supposed to help energize you and give you energy to work more. If you often feel lazy after eating, you might want to switch up your diet. You also want to make sure you keep hydrated as well, since you will feel tired and unfocused if you are dehydrated. 5. Fix your lifestyle. You need to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to be at your best. Sleep has a big impact on your motivation and productivity for the day. Functioning on low hours of sleep is quite hard. You should also get some exercise, since physical activity helps with your health and productivity. Exercise can increase blood flow and produce hormones that boost your willpower and help you focus. Exercise also helps you clear your head and refocus. A simple walk can suffice for your exercise, and it also can help you relax. 6. Avoid multitasking. You might think you can get more done by multitasking, but it doesn't work like that. Studies have shown that multitasking can reduce productivity levels by 40%. Unless you're a part of the 2.5% of the population that can multitask, it's in your best interest to avoid it. Our brains have trouble thinking 2 dots at once, and your mind struggles to efficiently keep switching in between tasks. All that shifting is exhausting for the brain, so keep it simple and stick to one task at a time. 7. Set deadlines. Deadlines can increase your productivity to insane levels. The closer you get to the deadline, the harder you work, especially if you have a lot of work to do. Parkinson's law states that when you set a deadline, you will naturally extend the time it takes you to complete that goal to the very last minute of that deadline. This law proves the importance of deadlines. If you do not have a deadline, you may never see the completion of your task. This doesn't mean that you should be afraid of deadlines. Deadlines don't have to be set in stone, especially for big goals. To use this effectively for small tasks, give yourself a short deadline to finish that task, and you might be surprised about how much more productive you become. 8. Take breaks. Unless you're really in the zone that day, doing task after task will wear you down. Remember, Switching focus from task to task wears down your brain. Something you can do is to schedule a 30-minute break after every 2 hours of work. You can also set breaks to times during the day where you tend to be unproductive. During this break, you can do something that helps you relax, or nap if you really need to. 9. Just start. The longer you wait to start, the longer it will take to get everything done. You can also use the 2-minute rule to help you get started. The 2-minute rule basically says, if you can get the thing done in 2 minutes or less, just do it and get it done. It only takes 2 minutes after all. For tasks that take longer than 2 minutes, break it down to a first step that takes 2 minutes or less. Once you complete that task, you will be more motivated and keep going. 10. Do things right the first time. Shortcuts are nice and all, but if shortcuts affect the quality of your work, they are not worth it. The time it takes to go back, identify a mistake, fix the mistake, and resubmit your work is better used working on something else. Get it right the first time, even if it means doing a lot more work the first time. Which productivity tip did you like the best? Leave a comment below and check out the video shown on the end screen if you want to learn more about another productivity hack called time boxing.